The average shower is 21 gallons. That's about 50 cents, 25 cents for water and 25 cents for water heating. That's the equivalent of 40% of the average water usage for a family of 4. Disconnect your old shower head by simply unscrewing. Now connect Hydrao. You're set. The Hydrao shower head lights up with preset colors and changes every 2.5 gallons. From 0 to 3 gallons, the light is green. Then it turns blue until you reach 5 gallons. From 5 to 8 gallons, Hydrao is pink, and then red from 8 gallons onwards. It starts flashing when you go above 11 gallons. It can also be customized. Track your water usage on the Hydrao app. Your Hydrao Smart Shower Head connects to your smartphone. Choose your personalized levels for color changes. Ben has long hair. He can tailor Hydrao to suit his needs and preferences. Hydrao is fully autonomous thanks to an internal water turbine. No batteries are needed for powering the shower head's LED lighting or for connecting your smartphone. A smart shower head that encourages water and energy savings? It's a revolution! Hydrao, smart shower for smart savings.